Unlock the powerful benefits of cumin seeds. Did you know that the humble cumin seed holds the key to better health? This tiny spice, often overlooked in our pantry, is not just for flavor. It's packed with life-altering benefits that support wellness, boost energy, and improve your overall health. Let's dive deeper. Struggling with bloating or indigestion? Cumin seeds are widely known for their remarkable digestive properties. They stimulate enzyme production, helping your body break down food more efficiently. Plus, they've been used in traditional remedies for centuries to soothe an upset stomach and improve gut health naturally. Packed with antioxidants, cumin seeds help your body fight off harmful free radicals. These tiny seeds are also rich in iron and vitamin C, both essential nutrients to boost your immunity. Adding cumin to your diet helps protect your body from illnesses and keeps you feeling energized all day long. Looking to maintain or shed a few extra pounds? Cumin seeds can help. Their ability to enhance digestion and metabolism makes them a perfect addition to any weight management plan. Plus, they reduce water retention and may even curb appetite when consumed regularly. Cumin seeds aren't just good for internal health. They work wonders for your skin and hair too. Their anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties can reduce acne and promote a radiant complexion. They're also rich in nutrients that nourish your hair, reducing breakage and fostering healthy growth. It's simple to add cumin seeds to your daily routine. Sprinkle ground cumin into soups, stews, or salads for a burst of flavor. For a soothing remedy, brew cumin water by boiling seeds in water, an excellent detox drink with amazing health benefits. Now that you've uncovered the incredible benefits of cumin seeds, it's time to act. Start by introducing this potent spice into your meals and wellness routine today. If you enjoyed learning about these benefits, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your journey to better health starts here.